Hello to my fellow watch enthusiasts. I just want to share with you guys the new strap that I have put on my Marinemaster 300. So as you can see, it's coming from Crafter Blue. The model number is CB03, which matches the lux, the case of the watch. And also I have paired it with this nice ratcheting clasp from Strapcoat. So the clasp, it has this nice, it's all milled, by the way, there are no stamped parts. It has this nice perlage, and also it has a ratcheting clasp which gives you a ½ inch of extension. So you have 5 clicks here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each click gives you approximately 2.5 inch of extension. I think it's a very nice combination of strap with clasp. Let me show it on the wrist. So if you want to extend it, you just push this, and then you see automatically it extends. So you can use this clasp over a wetsuit or during the summer period where your wrist expands. Also check out this bezel. Very precise. So, thank you guys.